Hey guys, and welcome to the channel. In this quick video, we'll show you how to set up break reminders within the YouTube app on your iPhone running iOS 18 or later version. This feature can help you manage your screen time and take necessary breaks while enjoying YouTube content. So let's get started. First, make sure you have the YouTube app open and you are signed into your account. From the main screen, locate and tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Next, to access your YouTube account settings, tap on the gear icon located at the top right edge of your profile page. In the Settings menu, scroll down slightly and tap on General. Under the General settings, you'll find an option labeled Remind Me to Take a Break. Tap on this. Here, you can select your preferred break reminder interval. You can choose from the preset options of 30 minutes, 45 minutes, or 1 hour. If you'd like a different reminder frequency, tap on Customize. Here, you can set your own preferred time interval. Once you have set your desired break reminder time, simply tap OK to confirm. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully set up break reminders in your YouTube app. You will now receive a notification at your chosen interval to remind you to take a break from watching. This simple feature can be a great way to stay mindful of your screen time. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorial videos. Thanks for watching.